Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon, the Spoonie Stitcher. You're inside the stitchery, and I'm so happy that you joined me today. I'm wearing two glasses today, just in case the lights bother me and I need to switch. But right now we're gonna try my normal eyes. So they're a little bit better today. My voice is a little bit better today, so yay! It's March, which means two very important things for me. One, National Crochet Month. Yeah, I'll give you a minute in case you didn't see my last video and you don't know that it's National Crochet Month. Surprise! Also, we are talking about Spoonie stuff here, and this does affect me, so I will mention it. It's also Endometriosis Awareness Month. If you don't know what endometriosis is, very briefly, it's where the cells that are similar to the cells that are in the lining of the womb find other places of the body to spread out to, and they don't belong there, and they cause pain and problems. First of all, this is not normal. If you have any of the symptoms of endometriosis, you need to see your doctor immediately because it's not a good thing. There are 4 stages: minimal, mild, moderate, and severe. There's no cure, but there are 2 kinds of treatments. It affects 1 in 10 women. Some people are born with it, others develop it over time. A hysterectomy and childbirth are not cures, unfortunately. So we are endo strong, and we do support endometriosis here. I'm wearing yellow on behalf of my fellow endo sisters, and we got this. We will survive. Okay, let's talk about National Crochet Month. First of all, it is National Crochet Month. I'm so excited. So we are going to get into my WIPs. I swear, it is WIP Wednesday, but I also thought because it's March 1st, I would talk about what's coming up on the channel, and you can know what's coming up on the channel. So first of all, I went a little crazy, and I made some orders. Yeah, I was so good, you guys. I was so good. And then towards the end of February, I just was like, yeah, the sales are too good, and I could show this on the channel, and so that would be fun. So I ordered from Premier, Hirschner's, Mary Maxim. I also ordered from a new small business company. I ordered some crochet hooks from them, so I'm very excited to see what that's like. Okay, so which kit review won? We're doing Friends. Friends won, you guys. So this will be the first crochet kit review on my channel. That's the one that won, so expect that at some time. What is so special about National Crochet Month to me is that this is a time when people who have never tried crochet, or they're just starting out in crochet, or maybe they've been crocheting a while but they haven't started like amigurumi or something yet. I thought I would make a few videos for absolute beginners and the other categories I mentioned. So what does that entail? Well, I'm going to do basic things like how to read a yarn label, types of hooks, what hooks are best for what kind of yarn. Let's talk about yarn. What kind of yarns are out there? I also am going to have some tutorials, very basic tutorials. We're going to have some how to do a color change in amigurumi. We're going to have some more tips and tricks. So we're going to have lots of basics on here. I'm also going to try a couple of things I saw on Pinterest that I thought would be interesting, and I've never seen anyone actually do on YouTube, so I thought that would be kind of fun. Nope, not telling you guys what it is. And I know if you saw my last video, you saw the teaser. Yeah, this video is coming very, very soon. If you know what this is and you're excited, you should be excited because I'm very proud of this thing. So, be excited. That's all I'll say right now, but it's coming very, very soon, like in the next couple weeks. Okay, let's talk about WIPs. So, it is WIP Wednesday. I should talk about WIPs. What am I working on? So, first of all, if you're new to crochet, which you might be, a WIP is a work in progress. That is something that we are working on currently. It's in the works. A UFO is an unfinished object. And in my brain, an unfinished object is probably won't get done this year, but I do want to do it. So I'm going to just put it away for now. It will get done, just maybe not this year. that doesn't mean that a UFO can't turn into a WIP. Does not mean that. It absolutely can. So first, if you don't know, Jennifer at Cinnamon Stitches is doing her premiere week. And I will link in the description box the video where she talks about what is premiere week and all of that, and so you can be prepared. But she already had day 1 and day 2. Today's day 3. I'm behind. And her pattern for day 1 was this really cute headband, and I had to make it. So I made this one, and oop, there's a hair there because it was in my hair. And I'll insert a picture of me wearing it here. So, yay! Okay. I did not use a Premier yarn, you guys. I didn't have any Premier cotton, so I had to use a different brand. But anyway, it's so super cute. So I made green because March. I should have made yellow when I come to think of it. I really should have made yellow because Endometriosis Month. But anyway, it's really cute, really easy. You know what? I'll link that video too. I'll link the video where she makes this, and you guys can make one too. But why it's a WIP is because I started another one. Yeah, there's not much to it yet. Ta-da! So hers is made in a 4-weight yarn. This is a 3-weight yarn. So I had to like add a few extra rows and stuff, but it's getting there. It's just taking me a lot longer because it's the only other cotton I had that's not a kitchen cotton in the house. So use what you've got, right? Okay, so that's one WIP. My other WIP is, I'll insert a picture because I'm not bringing it downstairs. It's upstairs, and that's where it's gonna stay, and that's where I'll work on it. So it's my rainbow blanket. There's no pattern. I saw a picture in, it was either a magazine or a catalog of just like an advertisement, and I thought the concept was really cool, so I just decided to just make my own. It's just half double and double crochet, nothing fancy. And I just change colors every 8 rows, I think, and then the white rows are every 6. Don't quote me on that, I'm not 100% sure. But anyway, that's my blanket. I'm getting there. I've been working on it for like 1.5 years now, so. I don't do well with blankets. Blankets are really, really hard for me. They're long, intense products, and that's difficult for me, so. But I like it, and it's pretty, and it makes me happy to look at, so I do like working on it. It's just a lot. So my next WIP is the bunnies. So we've made some progress, not a lot, but so this is okay. Everything has hair on it. It's my hair, but still. There we go. So we have a little bit more progress on this bunny. This one is Flopsy, I think. If you're new here, I am making the Peter Rabbit and his sisters, and I already made the other 2. So just in case you're new here, I'll show you. So this is Mopsy, I'm pretty sure. And Cottontail is in here as well. There she is. Okay. Here's Cottontail and her little green jean jacket thing. So I have 2 of them, and I'm working on Flopsy. And yes, this is my pattern. Yeah, so I'm making bunnies for Easter. And Peter Rabbit is not started yet. He's not. I'm one bunny at a time. They don't take that long to make. Because I have so many other projects going, and of course, you know, I had to make the headband because it was super cute. Okay, so I told you guys that I made some orders, and I'll have some hauls coming in soon. I'm very excited about one of them in particular because I am going to use that yarn to make something for myself that I might, don't quote me, might turn into a pattern for you guys because it absolutely would benefit spoonies. I always wear long sleeves so you guys can't see. I have a scar on the back of my left arm. And the scar, I don't mind. I mean, hey, scars are badges of honor, people. Yes. But it's photosensitive. Whenever the sun hits it, it feels like somebody just took a match, lit it, and stuck it on my skin. Every time without fail. It hurts so badly that I have to wear sweaters and jackets in the summer. And if I get too hot, I get sick. So I have to have it covered. If even a little bit of sunlight hits it, it just burns. Well, all the patterns that I see out there don't really fit my needs. There's shrugs, there's boleros, there's shawls, but they don't really work for me. I need something that I can wear, not have to mess with. It's not really a jacket because it's a little too restrictive. So I'm trying to come up with something that like just covers that. That's cute and wearable. So I don't know. I'm still working on it in my head, but I know that the yarn I found is definitely what I want to use, especially for spring. It's very, very cute. And I will show you guys that when it comes in. I have a doctor's appointment this week, so I'll be out and about anyway. Maybe I'll feel like going to the store. So maybe I'll find something there. That could be fun. Okay, so I have had a couple questions. I love a good deal. I love a good deal so much that I do my own research. And I do a lot of research. You should have seen my notebook before I bought my first furls hook. It's half a notebook of me watching videos, asking people questions, going on their site, doing a ton of research, finding out who the founder was, everything. Like, why is this hook so good? Pages of research. I still have that notebook somewhere. And even after I got my first hook, I did research while using it. Like my own, experience research and stuff. I don't go at things lightly. I find out the best. So I want to share that with you guys. And I have some videos coming up, maybe not quite March, maybe more April, where you guys are going to want your calendar in front of you, and I can actually tell you some, at least weeks, maybe not the exact day because it may change, but at least the same week to think about. This might be when you want to shop for yarn or hooks or whatever. So I'm very excited to share that with you guys. But yeah, that's coming up. So I guess that's it for today. Endo warriors, please be strong. And if you have someone in your family that is an endo warrior, please support them. It's a very painful disease, and it's really hard to go through alone. I'll put it that way. It's very hard to go through alone. So please support them. Please be with them. Please spread the awareness. It's not fake. It's very, very real. There's a very big myth going around saying that hysterectomy, childbirth, or surgery will fix it. That's not true. It may fix some of the adhesions, but there really isn't a cure, and it's very painful and hard to deal with. So please support your endo warriors out there. If you are an endo warrior, I'm praying for you. I feel you, sister. I am too. And it doesn't matter what stage you have. They're all painful. Now, and actually, I found out from my surgeon that the pain level does not necessarily match your stage level. So the stages I was telling you about. So you could be in excruciating pain and be a 2. I was told I was a 4, and then by my gynecologist, and then my surgeon said, actually, you're just a 2, but your pain level could be like a 6, and there is no 6. So, yep. So you never know. You never know. March 1st is the official awareness day, even though we get the whole month, but it's like the official awareness day. So we just had Mal's awareness in February, and now we have March. which is Endometriosis Awareness, and it's like, okay, name a month I don't have something. Woo! Thank you for joining me today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please share it with your friends and family. It helps my channel. Also, consider subscribing and become part of the Yarn Zebra family. I would really love to have you. We have a lot of fun here. We have some serious stuff, but we do have a lot of fun here. I mean, look at my wall of yarn. Obviously, this is a fun place. And if you love yarn and crochet, definitely come back, especially in March. Got a lot of tips for you. So, hope you had fun today. Tell me what you're working on. Let me know in the comments. It's WIP Wednesday. What are your WIPs? Thank you so much. Tell me if you're going to do premiere week. I want to know. Okay, that's enough. Woo! Remember, spoonies can stitch it up too. Goodbye.